G'day guys, New Year's Day today. Sure does go off with a bang each year around here. So first up I need to finish off shaping these side slats. It sure is nice to have a side slat ready to go to use as a tracing template rather than having to put it into the jig like that, like I was doing yesterday. In that mad dash to the finish there. As always, with every opportunity, I've mocked this up to see how I like it, see how it sits, if it's going to look any good, because now's the time to make a change. I don't want to make a change after I've got glue all over this. But it's looking good. I'm sure you'll agree. I'm sure you're thinking, that's bloody good, Kuffy. Thumbs up, mate, thumbs up. Next thing I need to do is I need to cut these to length. Firstly, I'll put them over the jointer to clean up this face and make it truly square to the top edge here, because that's my important reference there. got lucky. So with these side slats, I've actually cut them 5mm longer on each end. That way when I sand the face of this curve here, or hopefully use a spoke shave, I'm more likely than not to round that corner off a little bit. So what I want to do is I want to smooth this out first, and then I'll cut them to length, and that'll give me a nice, well, a pretty clean, nice, crisp corner on the 2 points there. So in saying that, I bought myself a new spoke shave. I've never been good with a spoke shave. They're my arch enemy. I've never been good with a spoke shave. So what I've done, and I'm very ashamed of it, I went out and bought a brand new one, hoping that a brand new one will fix my lack of ability. So this is a Luban one. So I'm gonna get this thing sharpened up because it's brand new. I did use it the other day on some MDF, so on the factory grind itself. So it's well and truly stuffed now. And then I'm going to shape the front of these and give it a lick of sandpaper, and that'll be good. Hopefully I can master this thing today, because like I say, in 18 years or 20 years I have never mastered these things well at all. Well guys, it's a couple hours past that time again today, and today's a public holiday being New Year's Day and all. So I'm calling it quits. Really happy with the day's efforts today. I got these boxes cut squarely, which was very important, because if I didn't get that cut square that way and it kicks that leg out over here somewhere, that's going to be terrible for me. But luckily enough, I got that one. I think that one's the perfect one, and I think this one there's a slight variance up the top that it displays out 0.5 mm or 0.3 of a mil, somewhere around there. Nothing to worry about there. I can deal with that, but I didn't want like 5-10 mil to deal with, because I can't deal with that, and I'd have to screw around with it even further. And just out of curiosity for you guys, to make those 4 cuts on the ends here, I probably spent about an hour doing that, making sure that everything was set just perfectly, and just shaving bees willies off it each time to get it just perfect. So that's the kind of thing that you have to do sometimes. It's really annoying, but it's a hell of a lot easier than remaking something, especially when I don't have any more of this pink rose gum, grey gum, blue gum, I don't know, it's some kind of gum tree. See yous.